In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell physical and digital products with Squarespace. Let's start right inside your Squarespace dashboard. From the main menu, open Products and Services, then head into the Products area under Commerce. This is your central hub for everything you sell. If you're just getting started, a quick tip, make sure your plan supports selling and that your payment processor is connected so customers can actually check out when you're ready to go live. Next, click Add Product. You'll see options for different product types. Choose Physical, then click Continue. Physical products include anything you ship and come with inventory and shipping details. If you plan to sell digital items as well, the process is the same. At this screen, you'd simply pick the digital option instead. Now it's time to add your product details. Enter a clear, concise product name that customers will immediately understand. In the description, explain what the product is, who it's for, and why it's valuable. Keep it scannable with short sentences and include key features, materials, sizing, or what's included. A helpful rule of thumb is to lead with benefits and follow with specifics. Click. Add images and upload high-quality photos. Use a clean background, good lighting, and multiple angles or context shots to help shoppers visualize the item. Drag to reorder so your best image appears first. If you have lifestyle and close-up photos, include both to build trust. Enter the price next. If you run promotions, you can also add a sale price so the original price displays with a strike-through. Your currency is controlled in your site's commerce settings, so it will automatically match your store's setup. Fill out the remaining fields to keep your catalog organized and checkout smooth. Add an SKU for inventory tracking, set stock levels, and create variants like size or color if you offer options. Categories and tags help customers filter products on your store page and also improve search. For physical items, include weight and dimensions to calculate accurate shipping at checkout. Taxes and shipping methods are managed in your commerce settings, so double check those align with what you're selling. When everything looks good, click Save. Your product is now in your catalog, and if your store page is connected to this product collection, it will appear automatically. For digital items, the flow is the same. You'll select the digital type at the product screen and attach your file in the product editor so customers receive a secure download after purchase. That's it. Your Squarespace store is ready to showcase and sell your products with confidence.